Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. I have a Vivo Y21, let's unbox this phone and after that, we will discuss its specifications and main features. This smartphone comes with a typical Vivo diamond look with a plastic back and some hard plastic material frame, but the plastic seems durable and premium. The phone size is 6.5 inches and the weight is slightly heavier due to a bigger built-in battery. If we talk about the performance of this smartphone, then you can say that it's not for heavy users, because this mobile has MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, which is 12 nanometers in thickness and provides an average gaming performance. Heavy games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty can be played at 30 frames per second and it's not up to the mark. So, if you are looking for a heavy performance smartphone, then Vivo Y21 is not your phone. This device is built for normal users. Now let's talk about the display of this device. Vivo Y21 has display of 6.51 inches with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels and 270 ppi density. The screen-to-body ratio of this device is 81.2%. This phone has a bigger battery of 5000 milliamperes, which is more than enough for this display. Mostly, normal users want bigger batteries in their smartphones because they are usually out of the home and need a good backup. If you are this type of user, then this mobile is for you, as this phone provides a backup of more than 1.5 days with normal use.
This mobile have dual rear camera with main lens of 13 megapixel and one ultra-wide lens of 2 megapixels. Front camera of Vivo Y21 is 8 megapixel. Back camera record up to 1080p, 60 frames per second, and front camera record up to 1080p 30 frames per second. This camera have all basic features like portrait, slow motion and short video, but there is an extra interesting feature of documents, so you can scan documents directly through your camera without any third-party application. Here are some back camera pictures of this mobile.
So, in the end, I can say that this mobile is good for day-to-day users and also good with some light games but not for heavier gamers especially. I hope you liked the video and it helps you decide whether to buy Vivo Y21 or not. Follow for more interesting videos like this and I'll see you in the next one.